Hey y'all, ready for some ribbon? But first, here's today's special guest star, Fred. Hey Fred! Scratch, scratch, scratch. And Baja the Wonder Dog, our co-host. Fred, hi! Do you have anything to say? No, he's gonna scratch. Okay, that's enough dogging. Let's get to cooking. Today's menu is complicated. It's ribs. Now the cooking process is going to be complicated. We're going to remove the ribs from the package, put them on the griddle, and cook them. You need to write that down? Should I slow down? Are you keeping up? This is it. 2 notches above low. And are you ready? Ooh. These are seasoned and smoked, fully cooked. So I ain't got to do nothing. Except maybe add a little steam action. And gonna rotate them every couple minutes. Keep them from burning. And we're gonna have some ribs. Okay guys, I've been flipping, and gals, gals, whatever, undecided, doesn't matter. If you griddle, if you want to griddle, if you saw someone griddle, it's close enough, I don't care. These are done. Starting to get caramelizing. Oh, it's flowing off the bone already. It's only been a couple minutes. The nice thing about already cooked is you ain't got to do nothing. Hold on. There's Red. Hi, Red. He's camera shy today, silly boy. Anyway, I don't have to worry about undercooking. I guess I could overcook them, but seasoning's done. Just a quickie meal on the griddle. And what else do you need? Doesn't all have to be smash burgers and whatever else we come up with. Anyway, thanks for showing up just in time for the sunset. And now I'm hungry. I'll go see what my lovely assistants come up for as a side dish. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, following, liking, sharing, subscribing. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. Bye!